Hi, I'm Lalit Vasist and you are watching Engineering Made Easy. This is the Microsoft Office Picture Manager, and in this I will show you how by using this Microsoft Office Picture Manager you can easily crop any image. See here, this is the test image and you want to crop this image, and its size you can see is 2.90 MB, okay, and its dimensions are also given. It is a JPG file. So to crop this image using Microsoft Office Picture Manager, just right click on this and then open with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Now this picture is open in the Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Click on this edit pictures. Okay, here I will show you different ways that you can use to crop the image. You can do it manually, or you can also fine tune it if you want to crop the image more accurately. So all you need to do is click on this crop option. Okay, here you can either click at this place on crop, or you can also use this drop down menu to crop the image. Okay, so you can use any of these options. Click on this crop option. Here you see these are the settings. The one method is to manually crop it. Just touch the cursor at this place and click on the left button of your mouse and drag it. Okay, it is showing the region that you are cropping. Okay, you can do it on four sides. This is the right side. You want to crop this left side also, you do this. You can see this outer area that is in a light black color will be cropped. Okay, you can do it so on all the four sides. Okay, so this is the manual way, and don't forget to click on this OK. If you are done with this, you see that this is the desired size of the image, then you can click on this OK. I will click on OK. You see the image has been cropped. You can also use these crop handles like here left, right, top and bottom are at 0. If you want to crop the image from the left side, then click on this backspace and then let's type here 100. Okay, so it is 100 pixels. It will be cropped. You see here at the left side of this image it will be cropped 100, and I want to crop it like let's say 200. So see 200, it will be cropped. So you can also fine tune it. You can do it very accurately, the cropping procedure. Okay, and if you are satisfied with this crop, then click on OK to save the results. You see here that the original size and the new size are also changing. If you will crop this, then the dimensions, the pixels will be reduced. So click on OK. This has been cropped. Suppose I want to completely remove this man from this picture, then you can easily crop it manually using your mouse and click on OK. So only this girl is present in this image. Now we have cropped it. Even after saving the picture, you think that you have done something wrong, then you can also use Ctrl Z. Okay, the combination of keys Ctrl and Z, you can undo it, and the previous picture will appear. Suppose I want to change the aspect ratio. There is an option to change the aspect ratio also. Here it is in landscape mode. I can change it to the portrait mode also. So first let's see in landscape mode. Here the aspect ratio, I will change the aspect ratio, let's say to 3:4. Okay, or to 3:5. This is a 3:5. This is 4:6 aspect ratio. I want to change it to, let's say, to portrait mode. So click on this portrait mode. Now it will change to portrait mode, and again you can change the aspect ratios in this portrait mode also. Let say to 8:10, 3:4, and if you are done with this, then you can click on OK to save the file. Okay, save this image. So this was all about how you can crop using different methods, either manually or by typing the exact pixels. In the landscape and portrait mode also there is a facility to change the aspect ratio, and then if you are when you are finished, save these settings either by pressing the Ctrl S, or from the file you save it. Okay, I have saved it. Then close the window and you can refresh it and see initially the size of this image was, if you remember, it was 2.9 MB. Now the size has reduced to 1.78 MB only. So in this way, if you want to resize the image, I will show you how you can resize the image in the next video. But if there are undesired part in the picture that you wanted to remove, and also you wanted to reduce the size, then size is reduced even after cropping the image. So you can see some changes in the size also. Pixels are also changed, size is changed when you crop an image. So this was all about cropping an image. Hope you enjoyed and liked the video. In the next video, you can also see how we can edit the image in different ways. Okay, so for this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Engineering Made Easy. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.